Did you know the Salesforce AI Associate Certification exam is completely free? You heard that right. So there's never been a better time to kickstart your AI journey. Now what are we going to cover in this course? Well, everything you need to pass the Salesforce AI Associate Certification exam with confidence. We'll break down core AI concepts, dive into Salesforce trusted AI principles, and see how AI fits into the Salesforce CRM world. Oh, and don't worry, we'll make sense of buzzwords like machine learning, natural language processing, predictive analytics, and yes, even generative AI. By the end, these won't just be buzzwords, they'll be part of your toolkit. And the best part, no coding or Salesforce experience required. I'll guide you through everything step by step, and we'll keep it simple, clear, and easy to follow. Every topic is carefully aligned with the official Salesforce AI Associate Exam Guide, so you are always on track. We'll also introduce you to some of the key Salesforce AI features you'll encounter in your certification journey. Now, a quick introduction. I am Sudeep Suresh and I've got 9 Salesforce certifications including AI Associate, AI Specialist, and I'm also an AWS AI practitioner. But more importantly, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. This isn't just another course. I'm making sure your time here is well spent. And by the end, you will not only pass the exam, but also have a strong foundation for the AI Specialist Certification journey. But hey, this isn't just about passing an exam. It's about understanding AI, building a strong foundation, and having the confidence to apply these concepts in the real world. Everything we'll cover is laid out step by step in the simplest way possible. Whether you are new to AI or just brushing up your skills, you are in the right place. Plus, you'll gain insights into key Salesforce AI tools and principles, setting up for long-term success. Alright, let's do this together. The Salesforce AI Associate exam is free, so why wait? Hit that enroll now button and let's make sure you don't just pass, you excel.